The American kestrel is the smallest and most common falcon in North America. It has roughly 2 to 1 range in size over subspecies and sex, varying in size from about the weight of a blue jay to the mourning dove. It also ranges to the South America and is well established species that has evolved into 17 subspecies adapted to different environments and habitats throughout the America. It exhibits sexual dimorphism in size, female being moderately large and plumage. Although both sexes have a rufous back with noticeable bearing, its plumage is colorful and attractive, and juveniles are similar in plumage to adults. The American kestrel usually hunts in energy-conserving fashion by perching and scanning the ground for prey to ambush, though it also hunts from the air. It sometimes hovers in the air with rapid wing beats while homing in on prey. Its diets typically consist of grasshoppers and other insects, lizards, mice, and small birds. This broad diet has contributed to its wide success as a species. It nests in cavities in trees, cliffs, buildings, and other structure. The female lays 3 to 7 eggs, while both sexes help to incubate. Its breeding range extends from the central and western Alaska across northern Canada to Nova Scotia and south throughout North America into central Mexico and the Caribbean. It is a local breeder in Central America and is widely distributed throughout South America. Most birds breeding in Canada and the northern United States migrate south in the winter. It is an occasional vagrant to Western Europe. Based on appearance and behavior, it was for many years considered a member of the primarily European and African kestrel clade within the genus Falco, but DNA analysis shows the American kestrel actually be genetically more closely related to the large American falcons such as the Eplomado, Peregrine, and Perarari falcons. Though the species has not renamed as the result of these genetic analysis, it is not actually a kestrel in the phylogenetic sense, instead a process of convergent evolution to fit a similar small prey niche in the ecosystem, as the true kestrels have left it with similar physical characteristics and hunting methods. The American kestrel is a common bird used in falconry, especially by beginners, though not as a strong flyer as many others. Large falcons, proper training, and weight control by the falcons allows May American kestrel to become effective hunters of birds in the size range of sparrows and starlings, with occasionally success against birds up to approximately twice their own weight. American kestrels have fairly limited set of calls, but the most common one is loud, excited series of 3 to 6 klee or killy notes, lasting just over a second. It's distinctive and an excellent way to find these birds. You may also hear 2 other common calls: a long whine that can last 1 to 2 minutes, heard in birds that are courting or feeding fledgling, and a fast chitter, usually used by both sexes in friendly interaction. The klee call is usually delivered as a rapid series of klee, klee, klee when the kestrel is upset or excited. This call is used in a wide variety of situations and is heard from both sexes, but the large female typically have lower pitched voices than the male. The whine call is primarily associated with feeding but is also uttered during copulations. The chitter is also used in activities that involve interactions between male and female birds, including courtship feeding, copulations, and the feeding of nestlings. Nestling can produce calls similar to those of adults at 16 years old. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.